Come here.
This is your wedding.
Oh yeah, I watched the wedding video when I was in labor.
Good. I want to see that before I leave.
Here. Yeah. Yes. Sweetie, don't hit yourself. Yeah.
Well, at least the Tylenol coating some
Yeah.
gas and stuff, and it's supposed to upset your stomach. She said she didn't know why she prescribed it. She said if you don't like it, call her back and say it's not working. Can I have what I had before?
Oh yeah, you could do that.
Her hands don't seem quite as dried out. Did you guys do something?
No, we're not supposed to, but she'll just moisturize herself.
Look
Yeah,
at
they'll
her.
bounce off.
Come here, little Jessica.
I'm glad I'm taking that. I definitely need it. Well, obviously it needs to. What are you looking at?
Little piece of
Hopefully,
A bug or
there
something?
it is.
There it goes. Oh, so that's the horse.
Oh, I was outside.
Oh, look
It
how
has
big
grown.
it is.
You know, it looks just like the mom.
Well, that's what they're supposed to. They all look alike.
Come here. Oh, look as she stretches.
You know?
Not yet. She's not. She's all soft.
Jessica. Jess. Jessica. Hi, honey.
Would you like to have some popovers tonight?
Hi, honey.
I don't care. I mean, well, if you don't even care, then I won't bother. I do like popovers. I would definitely eat one.
Yes.
Hurts.
Yes. You go, yes. There you go.
Yeah, that's true.
There you go.
You